Here's a quick summary of how the accuracy guarantee works for all of our services on the Cad Crowd platform. So the accuracy guarantee is basically a refund policy that ensures you receive the designs that meet your initial design criteria set out in your project. How the accuracy guarantee works, firstly, for private projects, is that if the engineer or designer does not deliver work based on your initial project scope, our in-house engineer will review the project and issue a refund for the percent of the project that is deemed as incomplete. For our private project services, our success rate is over 99%, so it's rarely an issue. For design contests, if you launch a design contest and the design submissions that you get in don't clearly accomplish a well-defined function in your original contest description, so for example, if you clearly specified certain dimensions for contest submissions and none of the design submissions met those dimensions, then you'll be issued a refund within a 30-day period. One important side note is not to choose a design contest winner until the designs are fully completed. If you choose a winner before the design is completed, the designer is paid immediately, and we may not be able to recover the funds if the design work is incomplete. That's rarely a problem. However, we recommend not choosing a winner until you're satisfied with that winning entry. Finally, for one-to-one projects, when you hire a designer on our platform directly, we will review the scope of the initial design requirements and the amount paid, and if there is any part of the project that is deemed incomplete, we'll issue a full or partial refund based on the percent that's actually done. Usually we go to mediation first, which is usually successful. However, our in-house engineer, once again, will review the work as deemed necessary. If you have any other questions about our accuracy guarantee, just give us an email and we'll be happy to get back to you to clarify it in more detail. Thank you.